What's up, Visuals fam? Today I have another awesome piece of photo and video kit from our friends over at Ulanzi once again. So this piece of gear from these guys is called the BG2 6800 milliamp hour power bank hand grip. And if you're an older Sony A series shooter like the A6500 that I have, or the GoPro, which are notoriously terrible on battery life, this thing may be just what you needed to stop replacing those batteries and keep capturing that content. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box really quick. Now, most likely if you're here watching this, you've had a bit of troubles probably with battery life and your chosen device that you choose to shoot your content with. In certain situations, having to replace batteries constantly can seriously hinder your ability to capture certain moments that you may be looking to get. And having a piece of kit like this battery bank grip right here can seriously add some more time to your shooting situation, and instead of spending a bunch of time replacing your batteries, you'll end up being able to capture what you're looking to capture. Now let's take a look at how this battery bank grip right here works. First of all, it acts as a handle for you to grip your camera and use it as sort of like a selfie stick to help keep your shot more stable. And second, it has two mounting points on it, a screw point at the top, which will work with most 1/4 inch camera mounts, and then another on the bottom, which you can then attach like the grip to a stand, a Gorilla Pod maybe, or any other accessory that you may wish to use with it. Other than acting as a mounting point of sorts for your camera, this grip is also a long-lasting power bank for your device, running for as long as the 6800 milliamp hour battery can power it. Of course, the runtime on this will basically depend on the device that you're going to be using, but with this sort of power, you should not really have to charge or swap your batteries out for quite some time. I've used these in the past for stuff that I've done, and they seriously extend the life of your batteries. And really quickly, I'll show you an example with my Sony A6500. So since the A6500 has a micro USB port on it designed for charging, all you need to do is plug in a micro USB cable to the USB port on the battery grip, and then plug the micro USB into the camera. And as long as you have the battery in the camera, it will begin charging up that battery and keeping it topped up. Now, the cool thing here is that you'll be able to run the battery grip for the complete duration of the charge on that thing. And then after your battery grip dies, you'll have then the battery in your camera to use as well once the grip dies. So this gives you a ton more shooting time without ever having to change your battery out. Now, this grip will also work with basically any camera that has the ability to charge like this via USB, and with the addition of different cables, adapters, and things like that, it can also be super versatile and work with a lot of different devices as well. And since this grip is so small and portable, even if you don't intend to use it with one of your cameras, the battery bank can also, of course, be used as just like an easy way to keep your phone charged or something like that while you're traveling. So you can just go ahead and pop it in your bag and off you go. Never let your device run out of battery, and don't get stranded somewhere. Okay guys, so that's really it. I just wanted to share this little piece of kit with you all because when I was back doing weddings, a battery bank was an absolute necessity in my filmmaking kit. I had one attached to my gimbal actually every single shoot I did, and I could never afford to run low on battery during a wedding basically because there's no redos on those. So you can see why I was very serious about this stuff. Anyway, if you found this video helpful in any way, be sure to show me a little support by hitting that like button and heading down in the comments section and letting me know what you'd use one of these little power bank grips for. And as always, if you're not already part of the Visuals fam and you want to join our awesome community, consider getting subscribed with those notifications on so you'll always know when I'm posting, streaming, or uploading a new video for you guys to enjoy. Have a good one, fam, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.